the beginning, this is the microfilm actually, basically. We have a microfilm reader and also microfilm printer. So all the thesis, foreign thesis, that we used to get through this microfilm, and this microfilm we have to use for reading purpose, the microfilm reader and microfilm printer that we have. So those storage media are not being used. Now after that, this is a tape come, and then video cassette. So all sort of storage media that we have kept in our library.
Knowledge begins with a deliberate act of curation. It is never static. At the forefront of academic evolution, a library's vitality is dictated not just by what it holds, but by how it continuously grows. Through a meticulous acquisition framework, the library acts as a gateway for global intelligence.
As per the role of the acquisition center, I tried to fill the gap of the procurement of print books for the balanced collection development. The balanced collection development implies that the Central Library tries to give emphasis on all subjects to procure books, not only engineering but also humanities and social sciences and other subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics and management and law.
But accumulation alone is not enough. Through the meticulous work of technical processing and the precise metrics of universal classification, the physical text is systematically integrated into a living ecosystem.
এইখান থেকে সব নতুন বই তার যাত্রা শুরু করে। বইগুলোকে আমরা আমাদের সেকশনের সবাই স্টাফেরা ভালো করে চেক করে, তারপর সেটা রেকর্ড হয়, তারপর লেবেল লাগানো হয়, তার ক্যাটালগিং করা হয়, তারপর ক্লাসিফিকেশন করা হয়। ক্লাসিফিকেশন ডিউডেসিমেল ক্লাসিফিকেশন স্কিম ইউজ করে এটা ক্লাসিফাই করা হয়। এই ক্লাসিফিকেশন করা হয় কারণ বইগুলো যাতে সব সাবজেক্টগুলো একই জায়গায় সেলফে থাকে এবং ইউজাররা খুব সহজে তাদের সাবজেক্টের বইগুলো এক জায়গায় খুঁজে পায়। এই সব পদ্ধতি খুব নিখুঁতভাবে করা হয়, কারণ এর পেছনে যদি সামান্যতম ভুল হয় তাহলে সেই বইগুলো আর খুঁজেই পাওয়া যায় না।
Once contained, it is set into motion. The point of contact between thousands of active research minds and millions of pages rests entirely upon the hub of circulation.
The circulation section, through its automated system, handles registration and withdrawal of users' membership, issue and return of books following the circulation parameters, generate and forward overdue notices to the users, maintenance of records and statistics relevant to circulation, extend OPEX service to identify the required and desired document of the users in the library, provides help desk service from the circulation counter to locate the book if not possible by the user.
And today, knowledge is no longer bound by the geography of a shelf. As academic research pivots toward an automated landscape, the library has transitioned beyond its physical walls, morphing into a highly integrated digital core.
There are 3 library servers in Central Library. Majorly, they are serving the academic community of our institute. One is the library's web server, that is the single point access for all users to access the e-resources. The other is the institutional digital repository server, which contains all the PhD theses of our institute and the open access publications of our faculty members and students. The other one is the library automation server. The overall library work, the day-to-day activities are stored in the library automation server. Now, these servers are maintained and I am responsible for zero downtime of these servers.
Maintaining an architecture of zero downtime, the silent infrastructure anchors everything from primary web interfaces to the massive institutional repository, permanently preserving the digital fingerprint of generations of doctoral research.
Digital library play a vital role in supporting academic curriculum, teaching, learning and research by providing seamless access to these subscribed resources by Central Library IIT Kharagpur. The digital library also supports the major service like research supports, which includes providing the donating service for the plagiarism, Grammarly for the English spelling correction, Quillboard for the paraphrase, then Overleaf for the latex editor. Digital library also has taken major initiative to digitize the old thesis of the institutes and rare books which are out of copyright for long-term preservation and access.
It is an ecosystem that actively empowers the writing pipeline, licensing advanced tool sets for absolute academic integrity. From native plagiarism monitoring to cloud-based collaborative editing environments, connecting world-class electronic journals and precision analytical databases directly to the researcher's fingertips.
The periodical section is gateway to world-class e-resources and cutting-edge research tools, bringing the latest research and scholarly articles into your fingertips.
More than thousands of e-journals and resources from IEEE and Springer. As a student of Masters of Human Resource Management, it is the best place to access for any kind of resource.
Yet, beneath the digital network lies the physical foundation of this memory bank. Decades of historic scientific journals are bound, preserved, and structurally protected.
This section ensures the preservation and maintenance of the back volumes and binding works. I am responsible for the long-term accessibility of the materials which are preserved in the compactors. The compactors gives the maximum storage and accessibility of the long-term used materials.
But protecting lakhs of physical volumes is only one part of a much larger ecosystem. Every sprawling network needs a connecting thread, a singular anchor to hold the library's legacy and carry it into the future.
Being the largest technological libraries in Asia, carries the responsibility to empower user with seamless access to knowledge. My role of responsibility as a librarian is very important. The most important things for me is to provide service to the users so that user will get book at the right time. Similarly, we are providing various type of electronic services like document delivery services. Some journals we do not have, but somebody they are having there. So we request them and then immediately we get this article and provide service to that faculty or student or staff. Then also important that faculty member and research scholar, they are writing the article. Where they will publish, what are the publishing agency and then what are the journal, and as a librarian my role is to provide the service to the users. So this is the new job that we are looking for. We are providing service, we are inviting publisher, organizing various type of workshop.
But managing systems and organizing programs is only the foundation. The true value of these services is measured by the students who occupy the space.
The environment is very friendly here and getting in zone and focused almost comes naturally.
Our library reading environment, we have created such a way that the user can come and they can sit a longer period. Why they will sit the longer period? Because we have provided each and every facility what they need during their study time. So library is open up to 12 midnight. Sometimes it is open during the examination. The library is open 24/7.
And because of a commitment to excellence earned through generations, in 2015, the Ministry of Education entrusted IIT Kharagpur with building the very backbone of India's digital knowledge infrastructure.
IIT Kharagpur's strong library culture helps seed the National Digital Library of India. The vision to integrate all the existing digitized and digital content across institutions of India to enable a single window access for all learners to all kinds of resources like book, journal, audio, video, and then simulation games. So all type of resources the user can have access from the single window facility. So this is a huge job that as a joint PI I am doing, and this project is housed in Central Library IIT Kharagpur, and we are providing space, we are providing facility with the help of library science and computer science people. This project is developing.
Guided by a promise to democratize education, National Digital Library of India has recently crossed 1 crore users from all across the country.
So our bigger challenge is now that this access should be available in rural area. There is a digital divide. So we are trying to do something so that all type of people will be able to access such a huge resource that will be helpful for their study.
From the physical curation of the vaults to the boundless reach of a national network, the library remains a living architecture. It is a space designed not just to preserve the past, but to ignite new inquiry, nurturing fresh thought, and inspiring the next generation of scholars. A timeless engine of knowledge, forever dedicated to the service of the nation.
It is not tangible. No resources are tangible. It is unseen. You give the access, you will get the content in your desktop, in your mobile, any device that you can access. Even if you do not have the computer server, anything, you can do all sort of application. You can store your content in remotely, some storage media in cloud service like this. And recent technology, very interesting and very useful, that is called artificial intelligence. And we have to learn again and again. Always we are learning and then providing service to the user. It is a learning process throughout our life. So this is the things happening in our field.